Hey everybody, this video here I got a new package, and this one is not supposed to be rekeyable, so it's not guttable, so I haven't bothered cleaning up the last couple of locks that I have picked and gutted. So getting to this one here is this it's supposed to be a round body brass American. It actually got here faster than I thought it would. Good job stacking it anyway. Let's see what we got here. Alright, it's a cool looking lock. So this says set US American lock here. Yeah, I'm trying to look at the key, but I think it's just a regular AM3 key. See if we can get into it here, and if it is guttable, we'll just do it on the pinning mat, but I have on good authority that it is not. That opened up entirely too easy, and it looks like, yep, it is not guttable. This is one solid piece. So okay, that looks cool, but I'm not even sure there's 6 pins in there, 5 pins in there. But I guess that'll do it for this video, and we'll talk to everybody later. Alright, I realized I never showed the key, so key out of the box here, and that's what we've got there. It has a code, so I'll run the code and see what it is. This thing looks like it's actually key retaining. You know, looking at the bitting, it looks like it should have been maybe a little more challenging to pick than that. So, yeah, it works smooth, but anyway, so I'll do that, and I'll post it in the video. That really is it. We'll talk to everybody later.